Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create professional video using Canva and AI tools. So if you want to create a realistic professional video, you can use the Canva AI. First, you can just open Canva on your desktop or mobile. I'm going to do it on a desktop, and here you can just go to the Canva AI. You can click on the left side menu in here or the Canva AI button at the top, and then you can just describe your idea or your prompt, and here choose the video clip option. But this one is a Canva Pro feature, so you need to subscribe into Canva first to be able to create a video, an AI video. Here I'm going to use this prompt. Okay, sweeping drone like aerial view starting from just above a fast golden savanna at dawn. And here I'm also adding the camera movement and also the lighting, warm golden light, and also the quality ultra realistic cinematic film and wide angle lens. Then you can choose the style if you want to adjust the framing, and here lighting, additional lighting if you want to, but I'm going to just submit this prompt. Then Canva AI will make the video for you. You can just wait until this result is done. So this is the result. You can click on the video and tap on the play button to preview it. And if you like with the result, you can click on this drop down button. But if you want to edit it more, like adding text or subtitles, you can just click on use Canva editor. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. I'll see you all in the next tutorial.